But she didn't. That's why I didn't want to say anything in front of her.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system. No weather radio's warning alarm. If you are participating in today's statewide earthquake drill as a part of the West Coast Great Shakeout exercise, drop, cover, and hold on now and follow your post-earthquake drill procedures. This is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test.
Now, if you did know, he lied to us. If you didn't, he lied to you.
You have no idea what I've been through. He lied to